Mm-hmm.
Me.
Me. Sound it out in your head.
Those.
Those.
Fish.
No, it's not fish. Try that word again.
5.
5. Very good. Give me those 5.
Fishes.
It's not fishes, it's fish.
Give me those 5 fish.
Good job. Now, here's the next sentence. Keep reading.
The dog.
Dog. Very good. What word is that?
Said.
The dog said. Move it down. There you go.
No.
The dog said what?
No.
The dog said no. Hold on. I got to see what it is so I can read it with you. All right.
Dog.
Wait, not the dog. What is that word?
Girl.
The girl.
Said. Me.
No, the girl said what? Sound that word out. More. The girl said more.
Fishes.
No, read the right word.
More fishes.
Try that word again. More, not fishes, just
More fish.
more fish.
Are.
Are.